Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Nothing is impossible in this world. We all know, but there are some people who believe in it. To make an impossible possible, it requires intention, attention, struggle, patience, energy, hard work, resolve, and sincerity, target, main goal, and consistency. My dears, in this way, an impossible becomes possible for you. But if we do all the things just in words, not in doings, even possibles become impossible. I'm feeling pleased to share some reviews of my training courses from Allahabad and Mandi, Ahmedabad. Just and observe, even a 9th grade student, she is actually at 9th grade, 9th class. If she is showing her excellent performance in writing, speaking, confidence, and presentational skills, even her personal grooming, why not you? You can also do all these things, but needs some sort of qualities. Intention, attention, energy, I again repeat, resolve, hard work, your main target, what you want to do, and your sincerity to your goal, your target, and consistency for the subject. Okay, just observe, and here are the reviews of those who participated in the very recent actually training course. Here we go.
Assalamu alaikum. I am Nimra Latif. I am 9th grade student. I want to tell about the session. Before joining the session, I thought that English is very difficult, that English speaking and writing is very difficult for me. After joining this, and I have not confidence. After joining the session, I think English is very easy for me. I have best confidence. I really thankful for Sir Yasin Shakir because he gave me skills, all the skills. I suggested to other people and students join this session. This session can also change your life.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Rimsha. I live in Mandi, Ahmedabad. I tell my experience about this course. Before joining this course, I can't speak English and my confidence level was very low. But today I speak English easily. Thanks to Yasin Shakir to give this great opportunity. And I suggest you to join this session because I can do it, so you can do it.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Mahmooda Masood and I am from Punjab College, Allahabad. Before joining the session, I think there is no need to expose myself in the world, but now I am entirely changed. Now I am able to speak in English and convince others to my point of view and according to their wishes. This is not a school or college session. This is a training center. Here we are trained for life, not to follow others. So I request you to join the session and get relief from all your problems. And for this, I am very thankful to Sir Yasin Shakir.
First of all, I introduce myself. I am Sadia Jafar from Mandi, Ahmedabad. I would like to tell you about my experience of this course. Before joining this session, English was a difficult subject for me, but now it is an easier for me and it solves my all problems. I also thank Sir Yasin Shakir because he gave us this opportunity. I also suggest you to join this session.
Assalamu alaikum. I am Amna Ghulam Rasool. I would like to tell you about my experience of this course. Before joining this course, I was not able to speak English. confidently. But it's done. I am very happy because I am able to speak English. I think you should join it and avail this opportunity.